Do you believe in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord, who was born of the Virgin Mary, suffered death and was buried, rose again from the dead, and is seated at the right hand of the Father? This baptismal promise speaks to us, of course, about Jesus, the Son of God. And it makes several affirmations that are worth our reflection. So it says that Jesus is the only Son of God. That affirms his divinity. But then the promise goes on to say that Jesus came to earth, that he was fully human, just as we are. Jesus was born. He suffered death and was buried, just like we do. And Jesus rose again from the dead, which is in faith our destiny as well. And so in this baptismal promise, we affirm Jesus' humanity. Jesus showed us how to be fully human in his inexhaustible ability to forgive, in his unequivocal acceptance of each and every person, in his command to pray for our enemies, in his willingness to suffer for those whom he loved. He showed us how to be fully human. At the same time, we affirm Jesus' divinity because it is in his humanity, in the fullness of his humanity, that Jesus showed us how to be divine, how we can live out the divinity that is in each one of us as sons and daughters of God.